Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a really exciting video, very necessary video. Today we are going to do a huge closet clean out. I don't wear like half the things in my closet, so that's why I really need to do this closet clean out. So yeah, let's get into this closet clean out. We are gonna start with my drawers first because I think my drawers need the most help. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys this drawer first because I already cleaned this drawer out. As you can see, everything is in color order. This is my gym leggings drawer. I just went through it a couple days ago just because it was just like a mess, like a complete mess. You couldn't even look at anything in there. Everything was just out of order, and I had a bunch of leggings in there that I don't really wear anymore. I'm just gonna say my two favorite brands of leggings are Navigation or NVGTN and Alphalete. In my opinion, they make the best leggings. So if you guys are looking for some good leggings, definitely check out those two brands. I used to wear Gymshark a lot, but honestly I don't wear it that much anymore just because I found other leggings that I like a little bit more. Nothing against Gymshark though, I still love Gymshark too. This one is done. All right, you guys can kind of see in this drawer a little bit. I think I just kind of throw random stuff in here. I don't want to get rid of anything. These are my favorite pants. I'm definitely keeping these. I wear these a lot. They're so cute. They're little denim jeans. I wear these a lot. Honestly, I feel like I'm just gonna keep a lot of stuff in general because I'm just a hoarder. Yeah, these pants, I don't really wear these. I don't really wear these. These I wear all the time, so I'm definitely keeping these. They're cute. What if I do want to wear them? Maybe I'll keep these. We're going down to this bottom drawer over here. It is jam-packed full of pants. I love a lot of these pants, but it's just like underneath is a bunch of stuff that I haven't worn in so long. I forgot I had these. That's so crazy. I used to wear these pants a lot in high school, but I don't see myself wearing them now. I feel bad because I never wore these pants. I just don't have an outfit that I think I would wear with this. I think I might sell that since I've never worn it before. Okay, what's in the bottom? Surprise, more pants. I have so many pants, but I don't want to get rid of any of them. I like them all. Oh, I've been looking for this. I've been looking for this. That's horrible. I'm keeping some of these sweatpants that are in here. I'm gonna leave them out because I have drawers under my bed that have sweatpants that I need to donate because I've like washed them so much to the point where they're like pilling. I'm just gonna replace them with these sweatpants that have been in here for so long that I didn't even know that I had. So I need to like switch them out. So far, we have this little pile of clothes that I have removed from the drawers. At least we are getting somewhere. We are gonna dig in to my underbed drawers. Here's the before, and hopefully we get rid of some stuff. She is packed out. Ow. I feel like this could, like I could find a really cute outfit for this, but that's the issue. I always say like I can find a cute outfit for this, and then I just end up keeping all of my pants and clothes. Let's just leave this in here for now. This one's really got to go. She's had her time. But the problem with this pair of sweatpants, I love that it's black and white, right? It says baby girl right here. I always want to wear this and that it says baby girl. Like, how can I wear that? It's giving Forever 21. Ah, should I just keep it? I can't get rid of it. No, I'm keeping it. I'm keeping it. But it says baby girl on it. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know what to do with these corduroy pants. If I don't wear them in the next 6 months, they've got to go. Why am I so messy? These are from Free People, and usually I don't shop at Free People because it's not really my style. But I saw these pants when I was at Free People and they are beautiful. They have like silver hardware on them. They're actually like so comfortable too. This front part reminded me of the Balenciaga Kaggle bag, if you know what I'm talking about. And I was like, I need these. Okay, I think we got rid of a good amount of stuff. Hopefully this drawer can close now. This is the after. I would say this is pretty good. Like, let's see if it can close. Uh-oh, it's getting stuck still. That's great. Oh yeah. This side, I don't think I can show you guys because it's so cramped. Like, I can barely even stand in this area. Oh, this drawer is so empty. Maybe I can put some pants from the other side in this drawer. I'm gonna bring over these. Just these 2 sweatpants. Okay, this drawer is done just because I cannot fit in this space, so this drawer is just gonna be done for now. Okay, now we're on to dresser number 2. This is so embarrassing. The way I have 2 dressers and then a whole closet. We're gonna start in this bottom drawer. I literally never wear this. It's cute though. Just like, again, not my style, so I'm gonna get rid of that for now. Okay, this denim jacket I'm gonna keep. We're just gonna close this for now. Onto this one. This is more shorts. Like, in the other dresser there were shorts. This is like more shorts, but these are shorts that I wear a lot more often. These are also my skirts. See, the problem with this skirt is I've never worn it, but it's so cute and I've been waiting for like the right opportunity to wear this. It had a matching top which didn't fit me, so I was gonna wear it as a set, but then the top doesn't fit me at all, so I couldn't wear it, and now I just have the bottom without the top. And I don't know what top I could wear. Like, I think I could pull off like a white top or something, but every time I've tried a white top, it just doesn't look good. Hopefully I find a white top for it. This drawer is just all my pajamas. I'm gonna keep all of these because they're not too many. It's just my pajamas. You guys don't even want to see this top drawer right now. This is a mess. Oh my god. I am embarrassed. My drawers don't usually look like this. I am gonna take these to the other drawer under my bed. They're not fitting and I can't even close this, so that's what we're gonna do. This is what this drawer is looking like right now. I would say it's a lot better than it was in the beginning. Let's see if it closes. We finished cleaning out the 2 dressers and the under the bed storage. Now for the closet, the biggest part. Welcome to my closet. So in my closet, I have my black and white short sleeves tiny shirts in this corner. Swimsuits all the way up there. I don't even know if you can see them. Sweatshirts down at the bottom in this little corner. So I need to get rid of 3 sweatshirts. That's my goal, to get rid of 3 sweatshirts. I have a deep attachment to sweatshirts. I'm gonna try. On this side, I have all my colored tiny shirts. Farther in are my short sleeves shirts, and my long sleeve shirts are at the bottom. This short in the middle, oh my gosh. It is a mess. These are all my workout tops and sports bras. How about we start with this drawer first, since it's the most dire situation. It looks a lot better than when we last saw it. The only issue is I have a lot of workout clothes that are in the wash right now. There's gonna be like no space for them when they come out because this is already like completely full. I actually got rid of like all this stuff over here. Like everything else I pretty much wear all the time, so I don't want to get rid of it. It's pretty full, but I think I'm just gonna have to like shove it in there. It is so hot. Okay, let's finish this closet clean out. I am getting tired. It's been like an hour and a half. This is our last endeavor. This is literally my ex's shirt. Like, why is it in my closet still? I used to do like online delivery, and this was the shirt that we had to wear. I definitely don't need that anymore. Not me saying I'm gonna get rid of a lot of shirts and then getting rid of 2 shirts. Okay, on to these little tiny tops. With this top, it's the same thing. I'm always like, I can find an outfit to wear this with, and it's so cute, and then I like never wear it. But I think I should keep it, because honestly, looking at it now, again, I'm like, I can find an outfit to wear with this. We're gonna keep her. Unfortunately, don't be mad at me. Don't be mad. I honestly got rid of a lot of stuff from this section, so I think we're good with that. It's very cute. It just like rides up when I walk, so I don't think it's realistic for me to keep this one. These are my black and white little tiny tops back here, so let's look at these next. I wear these the most out of everything in my closet. Unfortunately, I got paint on this top. I literally never wear this top. I think that's good. Okay, you guys, I am so sorry. My camera literally died right when I was in the middle of cleaning out my closet. I only had a couple sections left. I only had my sweatshirts and my long sleeves, I think. And I didn't have that much to take out. I did manage to get 3 sweatshirts out, which I was so proud of myself for doing. But I just thought that I would show you guys everything that I took out, because I took out so much stuff, and I will be selling some of this stuff on Depop. And if you liked anything in this video, check out my Depop, and it might be posted up on there already. This is everything I took out. I took out so much stuff, you guys. Like, there are piles. That is a lot of stuff, and I'm very proud of myself for getting rid of all that stuff. My closet is a lot cleaner now, and I am really happy that I actually finally cleaned it out because it really had to be done. So thank you guys so much for just like coming with me, cleaning out my closet with me, and just helping me organize. I really had so much fun, and this was such a necessary video to film just because I just had way too much stuff in my closet, and I'm so glad it's all cleaned out now. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.